Now, in order to meet the requirements of being a sustainable tourism economy, the tourism efforts must focus on conservation, and the Canopy Adventure Tours definitely meet that requirement. Now, although at this point of the trip we're supposed to be learning about conservation of the rainforest, to be perfectly honest, ziplining over the Costa Rican rainforest had to be the most fun part of the trip.
One more.
Yes.
How was it?
Great.
Give me 5.
That was awesome. That feeling of swinging out over the trees like Tarzan, jumping from point to point the way monkeys travel through the forest. I'm on top of the world. And finally, flying full out over the entire rainforest and the river, just like Superman. This is definitely a great experience.